comfy cozy up. So it is a little bit romance, you know. We're seeing this the day before Valentine's Day, and I decided to do the pink theme by making this wrap dress. So I'll put a video here so you can see the full length of it. And this was sexy. You see the boobs, it's a bit sexy. So I think if I redo this, I am going to I would say modify it a little bit with this part right here, because yeah, it's a lot of boobage going on here. But anyway, it's Valentine's Day. We're gonna keep it sexy. We're gonna keep it sexy. So let me start off by saying I said I was gonna go to Joann. I went only because I needed the interface in, and then they had pattern sale for $1.99. And I bought an entire roll of this facing. So this is the facing that has the whole you gotta iron it on. And it is a big difference because this is not bulky at all. Like, there's no bulk at all. Like, it is definitely worth it. And they also had it on sale. So I think I got, it was $1.99 a yard. And this was, this is 10 yard. Like, I literally got a whole thing. I was the one that actually come home and opened it. It was still in plastic and everything. So I was really happy about it because, like I said, this is going to last me a long time because you only need like a little bit, depends on what you're going to interface. And this is going to help me when I redo that green top using a different, there's a different, I have the same fabric type but different color, and it's gonna make a big difference with the neck area because I will have this facing. So I'm excited for that I have this. Then they had a clearance section where it was like 60% off the fabric. So I went and this was there. This is all that was left on the roll, and I think $4 a yard, something like that. And this was probably 1 yard and like a quarter, I think. So maybe it was less than that. It was very, but this is all they have, and I think I'm gonna just use this and make a head wrap out of it. So, and whatever scraps I have left over for some kind of crafting situation. And then let me just go through. I went a bit ham on the pattern because they were one, and I did not buy anything that's winter. I just bought the spring stuff, because that's all I want to do right now. Even though we're about to get hit with snow tomorrow, I do not care. To me, winter's not on my mind. I'm in the spring mood, so everything I'm going to be making is spring. So Berta was the first. I've never done a Berta pattern, and they have, yeah. And I've only looked at the drawer for like a brief minute because I didn't intend on getting anything for them. But theirs was $2.90. They were the only ones that were $2.99. But I bought two that were basic. And then one thing I'm learning about Berta, they're actual true to the size on the back, versus like the other companies where my size on the back is not what my size would be in a store. So this one is what my size would be in a store, which I thought was absolutely different for me. So it's gonna be interesting cutting this and making sure that I cut the right size and make sure I really pay attention to the size chart. So I like this because of the jacket. I wanted the jacket, and I thought the shape of the dress was so basic and so like gonna be nice in the spring and the summertime. So that's what I did. So you can see the drawing in the back so you get an idea how basic it is, but also like wearable, and it's gonna be like a staple for me. I feel like, especially spring, because I could make a lot of jacket and duster with this pattern. So I'm looking for it. And then I got this dress. So this one is cotton. So I have the same pattern, but if you notice, it is in jersey stretch knit, and this one is pretty much the same thing but in cotton. And because of the price, I picked it up. So this one again is one of those basic everyday pattern. But what I really went for, with no ifs and buts, what I was going to make this out of at first. When I thought about it, I was going to make this out of it, but then I realized it's not a stretch knit situation, and that is Miss Know Me from Miss Brittany J. Jones. Sorry, I keep want to mix up with another author, but you know. And what I liked about it is this jumpsuit is everything. That's why I went for it. Like I literally could just came home with this and the interfacing and call it a day. But I got two. I literally got my size and I got the smaller size so I can make this one for someone else. So again, but it was $1.99. So now we're gonna just jump into the other one real quick because we don't want this video long. I got the dress, love this, saw her do the video, and I said this is gonna be cool in denim. I'm pretty sure I have this already, but I got another one because again, I'm cutting the hell out of this one since I have another one as backup. I missed out on this last year, but this one I was a little scared of, but then I realized that I can modify the strap because I'm a girl, I still gotta wear my bra. So I think where she did this strap, I am going to thicken the strap shoulder a little bit wider. So that's why I'm gonna hack this one. But I just like it. Summer, spring. I don't know what happened the last time. I'm pretty sure I picked this up and somehow it was not in my cart. But I wanted these pants, not the sweater, but the pants. I'm here for it. This is the hottest thing in the sewing world right now. This particular pattern, everybody buying it up. It was like literally 2 left in the store. I don't even know why I'm picking this up because I would have to hack the hell out of this for it to work for me. But somebody gave me an idea where you can put the mesh like lace in the back. So if I make this in black, modify the front, and then add black lace for the back, it will work. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this, and that's this right here. Y'all see the back of this? Where are these boobs? Where is this? Would these boobs go? So, but then that's it for the Know Me. Then we're gonna get to the McCall. McCall also had $1.99. I saw again Brittany J. Jones did a sew along with this, and she did, I think she did B, and I said yeah. You're gonna see multiple versions of this in the spring and the summer. This is my kind of dress. It just reminds me of the other pattern where I made like 3 different styles of it. You're gonna see this modify a couple of times. Then I took a chance with this one. I don't know. But me and McCall is friends. But we're gonna go through this. Except for I don't want it long. I want it a little shorter. I think I'm gonna do the knee length a little above, a little under the knee. Yeah, we going there, guys. We're going there with this because there's no, the back is plain. The back is plain. We can do this. Then I wanted some denim skirt, and this one has 3 different kind of denim skirt. So again, now that I know how to make zipper fly, yeah. This one is so cute, and I really hope I can execute this how I want. But it has a lot of notion, but we're gonna do it. This is probably gonna be made very soon. But this one is literally gonna be this one with the sleeves. The contrast here is not me, but I like that it's gonna have the stitch and you're gonna be able to see the difference. Summer stuff. Spring and summer. Love this one right here. Another one where I'm pretty sure I have something similar, but I just like the sleeves and I like how big that the bottom is going to be for the, it's like a circle skirt. So I was like, yeah. And then if you look at the drawing in the back, I was here for this. I literally bought this, not so much for the pants, because I think I'm going to wear, I definitely going to make a bunch of these. I don't have nothing casual pants. I don't have enough of those because I was working on a schedule. I used to wear sweatpants all the time. And I feel like this for the spring and summer. And also, the shorts. So I got that. Another button up top, and this one is gonna be fun to do. And then the last one, which looked like the first one, it literally looked like the same thing, but then when I look at it more, I'm gonna have to do the muslin for this. I'm gonna have to do a markup dress for this because I'm concerned about the boobie area, how it's gonna be. So yeah. Alright guys, so let's talk about some romance. So I read The Holden. It was on my TBR and I got to it and it was really, really good. Now when I think of this book, I think of marriage. This is the second chance romance you have between two childhood lovers. They met when they were kids. Crystal, aka Chicken, was the sister, the twin sister of Ford's best friend. So there's that, the girl next door, your friend's sister. They tease each other. They did, you know, but they eventually bond and became friends and then became more. So in this story, you are where they're separated. They got divorced. And you are going backwards in time to when they were kids, how they became a couple, how they got married, and the things that happened. So in the book, that's how the story is being told. Now, it really digs into when people have bad communication, but there's love there, and there's that idea of maybe they shouldn't have gotten divorced, and how they just don't speak to each other when they both still have that love for each other and that connection and that wanting and that needing each other. The story really dig into mental health. It digs into physical health, and it dig into the whole idea of believing that one is better without them because of what they're dealing with on a level that the other person can't fix. And so I love that it touched on that, and it did have smut, but I love that it had a true storyline. It is also a sports romance. Of course, there's the idea of black hockey player and the kind of pressure and things that they have to deal with, and how that also can mess with them mentally. There's that element of the story. There's that element of not being able to tap into your gift, your craft, and that was what bring you joy. And now that you're struggling to do that, you still, you know, that becomes a major issue. But overall, this is really a story that is about love and how important communication is. And this is where they struggle in this, and it's one of those where like they should have never been at the spot they were at. They wasted 3 years of their life because they didn't know how to communicate with each other. So it's a grown book. It's a grown sexy book. I recommend it. I think it's a good one to read. And I look forward to the next book in the series. It's supposed to be 3 books. This is the second book. They're standalone in a series, so you can read them out of order. But again, it's a good one. It's a good one. I enjoy this. And yeah, so we're gonna move on to I got 3 more books on my TBR. No, 4 books on my TBR. So we're going to move on to that. I'm going to pick up a new book tonight, and we are going to continue with a new vlog. So thanks for watching. And yes, this is my weekend crafty moments, and I'm excited for the next project and to keep trying new things. This was new. This was different. We're going to try some more new things. So anyway, guys, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you read Holden, let me know how you like it. And also, if you read any Alexander House, what is your favorite book from her? I read about 20 something. I'm pretty sure I only have the short story collection that I've never read in her entire collection. So let me know what's your favorite book from Alexander House, and I will see you in the next one. Yay. Bye.